Yeah. I'm not closing the door. No sleep for you. How's that working out for you?
How about you clean it up?
Don't do it. You get to sweep the floor, dude. What you doing, Isaiah? Don't.
I think I'd rather sweep all the rice off the floor. Get it off all one by one.
This is pretty cool. Yeah, drop that shit on the floor.
Why don't you bring the trash can over to the counter and wipe it in your trash can? Ah, good right, because I ain't cleaning that shit up.
This is going on YouTube.
Yeah.